Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing you a hairstyle which is inspired by Deepika Padukone, and for this hairstyle I have shown two methods to create this hairstyle. In the first one I have shown how to create this hairstyle using bump pits, and in the second one without using any bump pits. And I know a lot of you don't really like using bump pits or just don't have it, so that's why I have shown this method to you. And yeah, I hope you will like this video, and let's get started. So first let's start by combing out your hair. Then I'm taking out section of hair from the side like so. I've created a middle parting, and then I'm just taking out two section of hair. Then I'm taking out a crown section of my hair, and make sure to take it really thin, like a really thin section of hair, so it's easier for you to use the bump pit. Now by using a bump pit, I'm going to create a puff. Place the bump pit on your hair and zigzag it like so it is placed properly on the hair. Comb out your hair a little and then place your hair on top of that bump pit and push it a little bit forward to make it look natural, and then use two bobby pins to secure the bump pit. Make sure to cross the bobby pin over each other so your hair is properly secured. Then I'm going to create a ponytail. I'm not creating a very low one because I don't really like low ponytails. You can do however you want, and I'm using a strong hair tie to tie my hair up. Now I'm taking the front sections, combing it towards the back like so. Then I'm twisting it just once. After that I'm placing it over the ponytail and pinning it in place using a bobby pin. Then what I'm doing with the leftover hair, I'm gonna twist it like so a couple of times and wrap around the ponytail, and then pin it in place using a bobby pin below the ponytail like so. And then I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. So taking the hair, combing it towards the back, twisting it a little, placing it over the ponytail, pinning it in place using a bobby pin, and then finally wrapping it around the ponytail. And make sure to use bobby pins in this hairstyles as it's easier to pin your hair with that. And yeah, that's it for this hairstyle. Again, it's a really simple hairstyle. You can do it on college, office, or even for special occasion if you like style it up a little bit. So now let's create this same hairstyle without using any bump pits. I'm going to do the exact same thing like I did with the previous hairstyle. I'm going to be taking out section of hair from my side just like so. And now to create the puff, I'm teasing my hair a little, just a little, because I have really fine hair, and then I'm twisting it and pushing it towards the front. It's really simple to do. You need to try it out a couple of times, and I think you will be able to create this perfectly. And again, I'm going to use two bobby pins and crisscross them. Then I'm going to tie the ponytail. I'm taking out the side section, twisting it towards the back, pinning it, and then wrapping it around the ponytail and again pinning it with a bobby pin. Doing the same exact thing with the other section. And yeah, that's it for this hairstyle. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any video suggestion, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.